Hey there, I am Rajvisha and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to make new friends easily. Whenever we have to go and talk with someone, there are so many things that go inside our mind that we are not able to do it properly. We get confused whether we should go and talk with them or not, or what will they think about us if we go and talk with them, or whether they will really like us or not. But oh my dear friends, how will you even answer these questions until and unless you go and talk with them? So, some points that I consider important are firstly, the first point is you go and talk with them. I know how difficult it is to take that first step. सामने से उनके पास जाना और उनसे friendship करना, I know how difficult that is, even for me. But to make new friends, to be out there, you need to do it. You have to take that first step. तुम पूरे टाइम वेट नहीं कर सकते कि कोई आके तुमसे दोस्ती करेगा, क्योंकि वो भी वही चीज़ का वेट कर रहे हैं. वो भी यही चाहते हैं कि तुम आके उनसे बात करो. So, first point is you go first, talk with them. अब ये सुनकर और एक क्वेश्चन दिमाग में आएगा कि how and what after that. So, once you have taken that first step, once you have made the first move, the second most important thing to do is to communicate. And when I say communicate, I here emphasize on listening. My dear friends, you need to go out there, talk with them, and listen to what they have got to say. You ask them questions, and when I say listen, I mean you actually listen. वो क्या बोल रहे हैं, उनके interests, उनके disinterest, उनके experiences of life, their story, everyone has a story, and what you have to do is listen to their story. And once you listen, ask questions from that. Note, when I say ask questions, don't behave like an interviewer, okay? You want to ask them questions just so that you want to know more about them. You want to know who they are and what they do, what are their passions, what drives them. You actually want to know their story. You have to take that keen interest. See, if you can ask them about their interest. If your interests match, then it is a +10 to your friendship. But if your interests don't match, if you have different interests, then don't worry about it, okay? You just need to take interest in their interests. The last and the third most important step is to appreciate. Guys, genuine appreciation is something that everybody admires. Now that you have started to know that person and a little bit of observation, you will notice some good and positive qualities of that person. So what you have to do is you have to appreciate those positive qualities of that person. It can be you have beautiful eyes, to I really like how you take things, or I really like how passionate you are. Remember the word genuine, because anyone can make out the difference between a fake appreciation and a genuine appreciation. And a fake appreciation is a -10 to your budding friendship. So let's review. The first point is you go out there and talk with people. Second point is communicate. When I say communicate, I emphasize on listening. And the third and the most important point is genuine appreciation. Appreciate the person. So guys, try this out and thank me later. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to comment and share with your friends. Thank you and have a nice day.